Welcome back. Every website have web pages and each web page have content that provides specific information. Example of pages are like About Us page, Contact Us page, Product page, Blog page, or Home page of a website. When a visitor of your website want to know about you or your business, he will go to your About Us page. Or when he want to contact you, so he will go to the Contact page. Or when a visitor want to see your products, so he will go to your Product page. And when a visitor search your website URL, so he will land on the home page of your website, which is also called landing page of a website. If I take you to one of my website, so I will write here quickdropservicing.com. So this is my website and this is the home page of this website. And these are all the pages on my website. Now if someone want to contact me, so he will go to the Contact Us page. Now how to create these pages on WordPress? So creating a page with WordPress is very easy. I will mention one thing here, that later in the second section of this course, we will create a landing page for our drop servicing website using the Elementor Page Builder plugin. So there you will learn in detail creating beautiful pages for your website. But right now I will quickly show you how you can create a page with WordPress. So we will go to our WordPress dashboard and here you will see the pages option. And when you want to create a new page, so under pages you will click on add new. Now for demonstration we will create an About Us page. So I will name this page About Us. And here you will write the content for this page. So for demonstration I will paste some dummy text right here. Now if we select some text from here, so from here you can change the style of this text. You can drag it, you can move it up and down, you can align it to the center or to the left or to the right of the page. You can bold the text or make it italic, and you can link the text. For example, if I want to link this text to a URL, so I will select the text and then I will click here. Now I will provide a URL here. So for demonstration I will write here something like google.com. And if you want this link to be opened in a new tab, so you will turn this on from here. Then you will click here and you will press enter. So you can see the link is added. Now if you click here and if you press enter, so here you will see the plus icon. And if you click on this, so you can add paragraph, heading, images, shortcodes. So let's say for demonstration I want to add an image here. So I will click on image. Then I will upload the image, so I will click on upload button. And let's say for demonstration I want to add this image. If you want to change the style of this image, so you can make it round, or if you want you can keep it rectangular. And if we go to the page section, so from here you can change the URL slug of this page. By default the title of this page is the slug. For example, the title of this page was About Us. So here you can see the URL is about-us. Now if you want to change this URL, so you can change it from here. So I will make it like About Me. Now suppose the name of your website is business.com. So the URL of this page will be business.com/about-me. Now once your page is ready, so you can click on the publish button to publish this page. So I will click on publish. Again I will click on publish. So this page is now published on our website. Now if you go back to our WordPress dashboard, so we will go to pages and then we will click on all pages. And here is the About Us page which we just created. So you can edit this page from here. You can delete this page or you can view this page. So I will right click and I will open it to view this page. So this is the page which we just created. And here is the link which we added to the text. So if I click here, You can see it opened in a new tab and it directs me to google.com. Now if we go back to our WordPress dashboard and if we open the main page, the home page of our website, so you can see this page is not appearing here on the top menu. And the reason is because we have not yet created the menu for our website. So later in this course, I will be showing you how to create menus for your website. So that time we will then add this page to the menu and it will start appearing here.